That's a heavy door, but it's okay. Welcome to Anguilla. Welcome to Tranquility Beach. Welcome to Unit A1. And if I may say so, this is A1 premium quality. Come on in. This is a beachfront room here at Tranquility Beach. And if I may say so myself, probably one of the better accommodations that we've ever stayed in, because of location and because of the layout and because of the service. But this is a room tour. Let's show you around. First, you have this wide open area to come in, sit and relax. You start off with this beautiful comfy couch, table, everything you need about Anguilla right here. You also have towels for the hot tub, which we'll show you later on. Flip around, you've got a gigantic TV to watch what you need to do, but the other view is so good you really don't need to watch TV. But if in case you want to watch TV, there's access to Miami channels out of the United States, several cable channels, satellite channels. You also have Netflix and YouTube on here for you to check out. Water. You need to stay hydrated here in Anguilla because it's very warm year round. So they provide you with plenty of water to make sure that you're not going to go and get all thirsty. Plenty of storage down here as well. Lots of places to put stuff. And then here, you have your full kitchen. Nice table where you can sit down and enjoy a meal. Microwave to warm things up if you're going out to eat and you want to bring some things back. Microwave to warm it up. Full-size coffee maker and water to get your coffee done. Speaking of coffee, let's go into the drawer here. You have all of your silverware, pizza cutter if you need it. Also, you have your wine opener, your bottle opener, measuring cups, and then a fine selection of instant coffees. You have your teas, you have sugar, sweetener. You're covered. You're good to go. There's your coffee maker again. Full-size dishwasher, so you can wash your dishes. Up here, you've got all of the barware, glassware that you need. You've also got your plates. Pretty well covered. Haven't looked in here. Oh, look in here. Looky here. More plates. You even have a toaster, some bowls if you want some cereal. Everything you need to cook, you have it all right here. Knives as well, salt and pepper. You even have the tea kettle. So if you wanted to go to the store and buy your food and cook while you're here at Tranquility Beach, you can do that. Save yourself some money from going out and eating all the time. So it's a great thing to have. And look, there's a blender too for smoothies or really getting very funky with your culinary efforts. You got a blender here as well. All right. Full-size refrigerator. This is not a hotel room refrigerator, obviously. This is a big one. You got a freezer, you got your refrigerator, get your drinks in here. They supplied us with sodas and water in here as well as beer too, and ice inside the freezer. Check that out right there. There's ice in there. So pretty much everything you need here in the front as a nice living space for however long you're going to be here. But now let's go into the bedroom. I mean, is this nice or what? The nightstands, very spacious to put all your things. And you have windows on each side. Now, yes, very nice and comfortable with the air conditioning. But if you want some fresh air, if you want to hear some of the waves, you can open up the windows. You can also close them all out. Get your blackout shades on so you can sleep as long as you want to. In front of the bed, nice couch. You can sit and dress, or you can sit and watch some television because another gigantic television right here. So grab some popcorn, grab a drink, and watch to your pleasure. Plenty of storage for however long you're staying at Tranquility Beach. Places to put all of your knickknacks, all of your clothing. Can't complain about that at all. Lots of closet space, plenty for you to put even more things. And a safe. If you have hats like me, you can put your hats in here, but you have your safe, more drawers, Plenty of space. I don't even need to open up all of these because you can imagine how much space in here. You have your robes here that you can enjoy and walk around in. And the other plus, the other bonus, you know how I am with my outlets. There are plenty of outlets in this room so you can plug in your phone, your tablet, your computer if you need to, whatever you need to charge, plenty of outlets to get around. Now let's head into the bathroom. This too, fantastic. Huge soaking tub. Fill that thing up to your heart's desires, get in and enjoy. Your privacy from the other units right here, or you can open it up if you want to. Then you have your full-on shower. It has the rainfall shower and also the handheld, and also a little stool if you want to sit down while you're taking a shower. Tranquility Beach provides their own shower gel and shampoo, and you can use that if you want to or bring your own. Who doesn't like a double vanity? That way you can have your space, whoever you're here with can have their space, and enjoy. Soap dispensers for both sides, lotion right here, and just a nice area, plenty of towels underneath so you don't have to fight over space in the bathroom. Over here is the water closet in a sense, but there is your toilet right here, but you have another window here where you can block it off and you can open it up, and you can also open up the window too to get some fresh air. But here's the winner: washer and dryer. So that means you don't have to pack a whole lot. If you come in with the idea is like, oh, I'm gonna stay about 5, 6, 7 days, let me bring all these outfits, don't worry about it. Pack light and then wash your clothes and dry them as you go. And even though we brought our own detergent sheets, when we got here, we found out, hey, they have their own. So they bring you the Bounce for the dryer, little Tide Pods as well. So you don't have to worry about bringing your own stuff unless you have a certain kind of detergent you like. But just know, washer and dryer here. That way you can pack light, not bring so many things. So you've already seen this probably from another shot, but this is your money shot right here. As you wake up in the morning, as you come out to the front, this is what you see. Beachfront. Step aside, look at the beachfront. Welcome to your home away from home. Now out here you have your hot tub, which, I mean, come on, just wanna hop in any time of day or night? Come on in. Got a nice lounger, have a table with some chairs, dine al fresco if you want to, or you can just come right here into the stand, walk right down there, head right out to one of the loungers. There's an attendant here every day that'll set you up with towels, set you up with something nice to drink. It's a beautiful thing. So I counted 25 steps from the door to the beach. 25 steps. And if you turn around, you can see the other units that are here. These are all the beachfront. You have the two on the ground floor that walk right out to the beach. Then the second floor and then the top floor, you have beach views. But these ones down here on the ground, come on now. And there's other units in the back. And I'm not knocking those in the back. If that's what you want to do, come on and do it. If you want to get bougie, get to A1 over here. So it's warm. The water's calling. And this is calling. Oh, we'll be back. Tranquility Beach. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed what you saw, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and more coming to you soon. Take care.